need to collaborate across sectors. One of the really important things for me is to come and listen to those problems that other regulators, other companies, the supply chain and the water companies experience, and that allows me to gain context through that collaboration. It also helps me understand what is the research that's going on, where it's going on, and that makes a mental note for me that if that research is important, I can contact that person at a later date.
I think it's really important we get everybody together, the interested parties. Everybody, often when you start talking, is actually after the same outcome, and we all need to support and help each other understand first what's going on. And often the water industry is focused because it's quite easy to measure our impact, because it's normally a single pipe, and we've now got lots of data on how those pipes and assets are working. So we need to understand the problem in more detail, I would argue first, but talk, because more we talk at conferences like this, we'll find there's synergies that we can work on together. And where we've got common interests in some areas, there's already lots of examples and case studies where that's happened.
I think it's just so important to make networks across the water industry and into the environment. Lots of fantastic and wonderful ideas taking place, lots of different initiatives, and it's just trying to make sure that people are thinking, bringing together experts in each area, having a voice, being heard. It is such a valuable experience to kind of just come up with new ideas and ways of working.
I think today's been really useful in terms of meeting new people, but also understanding things from a different perspective and really seeing how customers can drive what companies are doing and how keen companies are to really understand their customers and improve that experience for them.
You get a first-hand information from the water utilities, their priorities, what are their pains and needs.
Huge amounts of expertise, so I know another objective was about connecting that expertise. It was great to see so many representatives from companies, from regulators, from academia, consultancies, the supply chain, and we all have a hugely important role to play, and everyone understands that.
You get to see some very specific presentations and what's going on. Some very specific discussions are driven around the brand themes. So today, a lot of stuff about the environment. For me, the main benefit is actually just meeting the other people here and seeing what they're up to, sparking ideas off.
It's really good to come down to people working at the sharp end who've actually got to do real things with real people and real money in real time. So for me, it really brings me down to earth, gets me informed about what's really happening at the coalface.
So it's a chance for everyone to touch base with other people who are also holding down a day job and trying to push innovation and research forward and trying to effect change in their organisations. So I think that it's been hugely powerful for people to hear what other people are doing and to get ideas and to come away encouraged that action and change is happening.